Greetings, Hoover TurboPOWER 5000 fans. How about doing some sand in the carpet test with that TurboPOWER 5000? And you say, what on earth's a Royal Pro Series doing there? Well, I figured I'd go ahead and just give the carpet a good once-over before we did the sand in the carpet test. Carpet's already clean. I was just looking for an excuse to run it now since the bag shouldn't flop around anywhere. Alright, one down. Make sure the handle doesn't flop over. And it would be nice if we got the bag out of there. So, freshly blown out S bag. I think I got a hose running around here somewhere. That might be helpful. Let's do a couple of markers here that are probably mostly off camera. Maybe you can see them this time. Let's see, maybe I'll go about there, I suppose. All right. So let's see how this, now this is obviously very worn. And if it does like so, I'm sure with a new brush in it, a new brush roll, I'm sure it would probably do a little bit better. But this was definitely the used and abused machine, as I have shown on many an occasion. So let me probably change the view a little bit here. See what our initial bag weight is. Freshly blown that out. I guess I think that'll fit pretty well in there without flopping off. Okay, let's see if I can get you a little closer. We are at 54.92, 93, 95. Where will it stop? 94, 96. Eesh. Must have a little wind running around down here. My air conditioner just stopped, so the pressure changed a little bit. Really sensitive scale. Okay, I'm just going to pick something. Let's say 54.9. All right, I'll say 54.96. We'll have to go with that. Incidentally, with this particular setup, I got 45 nozzle CFM, and there's a well-known modification you can do to it where you block some holes in the top front of the lid. I used that for a while, but I changed back due to, well, various different issues. But this one's running factory, obviously with the HEPA S bag upgrade, so we're at about 45 CFM. out a little bit. Make it disappear. All gone. Now it's going to take me a second to get this hooked up here. And away we go. Over. It's very embarrassing when stuff falls over on you. Now we need to get the board of measurement. Okay, we started out at 54.96, and I see sand in there. We ended up with 'Anticipation mounts. $56.3, all right, we'll say 56.32. And then we're going to subtract 54.96. So we have 1.36 out of 5. And that is 27.2%. I'll just go ahead and multiply that. Makes it a little easier. So there you go. So sand, not so good. Again, the brush roll here definitely is very, very worn. No, I'm not getting another brush roll for it. But, you know, the CFM is, you know, kind of low. I bet you with a newer brush roll, it'd probably do better. But 27.2, you can't win them all. It's a fun machine to use, but I think if you go back and take a look at the results of the whole house carpet cleaning, you saw that it's kind of jiving with this particular machine's performance. It's a little bit on the low side. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the baking soda tests.